So, Ma, can I please see your sister now? I've been waiting all day. I'm sorry. She just had to be fed and changed and a lot of stuff babies need just to settle in. I really want to see her. Please. I'll give you a hint. She looks like your dad. Ooh. So, what are you gonna name her? We don't know yet. But we're gonna find out what we're gonna name her soon. Now you can hold her. I love her. She's so precious. So what you gonna name her, Ma? I have a good name. Apple Bloom. It's a nice name. It's kind of like mine. Applejack, Apple Bloom. Applejack, Apple Bloom. Except mine's a Jack and her a Bloom. Because she's a little Bloom. She looks so cute. Let's put her in her crib. Well, now she's awake. But when I put her in the crib, she just open her eyes to see where she is. Right, Big Mac? Yep. Yeah. Apple Duck. He tried to say my name. I love her so much. Alright, who's ready for a picnic? I am, Papa. Me too. Okay, let's go to... where should we go? I don't know. Ponyville? Or... I don't know, actually. We'll have to think of one. I can't ever tell Apple Bloom. Applejack, why won't you tell me about our parents? What happened to them? It's best not to know. But Applejack, I want to know. Please. Well, it's about time you know the truth, Apple Bloom. They passed away. What? Is that why you never told me? 'Cause I get all sad. I'm sorry, Apple Bloom. I just didn't want to tell you because I never wanted you to feel like... I know, Applejack. Applejack! I got my mark! That is one nice cutie mark, sis. Thank you for supporting me. Anytime, sis. Oh my god. Apple Bloom. Y'all alright? I'm the princess of Destiny. This is unbelievable. Yes, Apple Bloom. You're a very lucky filly. We barely have any fillies who become an alicorn. Not like me and Celestia have become an alicorn. We have never become an alicorn since we were young, though. It's a long story. Thank you, Princess Luna. Thank you, Celestia. It's an honor to be the princess of... What? What am I the princess of? Again? Or no? You are the princess of destiny. Ugh. What's the point of having wings if I can't fly? Unlock the chicken. I heard that, Apple Bloom. Oh, dang. I forgot she was scootering outside the clubhouse. Like, thanks, Twilight. And thank you, Rainbow Dash. Thanks for helping me with magic and flying. I'd never be able to do it without y'all's help. I guess it's just really hard to fly. Yeah. With all these ponies trying to get my attention, I'm out on my own without my own friends. I'm on my own. Every pony comes to me. I did nothing to become the princess of destiny. What did I do? What was my purposes in life? I never knew why, who, why. What did I do to become an alicorn? Why is this my purpose? What is it leading me to? What's my destiny? Is it really helping ponies find their mark? I've been working so hard, but every single adventure I have is the worst. I can't fight. I don't have the might. I don't have the rights. I have nothing. I'm not the princess of anything. I never choose to be the princess of destiny. Please help me. Princess of Destiny. Well, it's very lucky to see you, Sweetie Belle, Skittaloo, Diamond Tiara, Zipper Whale, Silver Tray. No, I'm sorry. I just haven't seen y'all in a long time. Babs, a lot of you. I'm sorry I haven't been visiting a lot of you. I've just been busy and caring a lot. And Clubhouse. I make teleport on and off all day. Wow, Bloom, you look beautiful. Thanks, Rarity. I did my finest work. I think my new job might be main styling, just like I did yours, sweetie. Well, how did you do it? Apple Bloom's is really pretty, but what about mine? This is my main. I was just doing it for Apple Bloom because she wanted it. Well, it's very unique. I like it. New style. I think I'll try to get used to this. Although my tail's kind of the same, but it doesn't even matter. I love it the way it is, Rarity. Thank you. You're welcome, dear. Oh, hi, y'all. It's me, Apple Bloom. Haven't seen you in a... What's wrong, Apple Bloom? Yeah, I thought you'd be happy to see us, so. Nothing. I just imagined you as burritos. Oh, my Celestia. Really? Apple Bloom? Sorry, Di. It's an honor to be the ruler of Equestria, even if it's kind of weird. You've came such a long, long way. And I've watched you from that very first day to see how you might grow, to see what you might do, to see what you've been through, and all the ways you've made me proud of you. It's time now for a new change to come. You've grown up and your new life has begun. To go where you will go, to see what you will say, to find what you will be, for it's time for you to fulfill your destiny.